Hello, I'm John Bisson. I'm Director of Traumatic Stress Wales. Unfortunately, traumatic events are a part of human life, and sadly, a lot of us will be exposed to them during our lives. For most people, exposure to traumatic events doesn't result in the development of a mental health condition, but sadly for some it does. And unfortunately, conditions such as post-traumatic stress disorder and complex post-traumatic stress disorder are relatively common. Traumatic Stress Wales is funded by Welsh Government and was established to help people exposed to traumatic events at risk of or with post-traumatic stress disorder or complex post-traumatic stress disorder living in Wales, whatever age they are. It's a national initiative that's been co-produced with people affected by traumatic events, and people affected by them are central to everything that we do and are trying to achieve. Traumatic Stress Wales works through a network of easily accessible, locally based services, including all 7 health boards in Wales and also people working in social care and in the third sector. We want to help people exposed to traumatic events avoid unnecessary repeated referrals and assessments and improve the rates of detection of post-traumatic stress disorder and complex post-traumatic stress disorder. We know that both of these conditions can cause significant distress to both the individuals who experience them and also those around them. People with post-traumatic stress disorder or complex post-traumatic stress disorder, wherever they live in Wales, should have access to the best possible available support and treatments for their difficulties. These should be provided by fully trained staff who are properly supported by Traumatic Stress Wales. Our ethos at Traumatic Stress Wales is one of continuous quality improvement. We want to be constantly learning and developing through the routine data we collect and analyse, through innovation, through research, and most importantly through the feedback we receive from people who are using our services.